asking all members and responsibles, especially principals and teachers, that they have organized this type of competition all Balochistan, between all Balochistan. May Allah give them more strength to organize this type of programs and competitions. Number two, when I heard that the students of Madaris, the students of religious institutions, they are speaking as well as in English Zuban, English language. Nowadays there are many type of people, like liberal people. They used to say that in Madaris, in religious institutions, there isn't any type of success in the life of students. So I wanted to tell them that please come in this madrasa, in this institution, which is called Jamia Salam bin Abi Salma. They must come in this institute and they see and they listen, they observe that our students, they are able to speak in English. English is, according to this era, is too important, much important. We are supposed to learn, we are supposed to seek this knowledge, this language. May Allah bless you according to His personality.